Welcome to my nightmare. Anyways, this is a 2016 Honda Accord 10th generation, I think, or 9th, I think, so one of those two. Anyways, this is the finishing of the amp and signal channel processor, signal processor. I don't know, final hookup. Anyways, this is what we did. We got the big boy coming in right here from the battery. Goes. I already did a little video on that. Goes up all the way along the side. Goes down through the front panel, back up through there, and all this good stuff. Anyways, got all this stuff routed through here. This is all the stock hoses and wires and cables and lines and tigers and bears that run to the trunk lead and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, got these backer boards in here. Got dynamite everywhere. And this is the one side over here. That is that's what it looks like right there. But anyways, I got carpet pieces that go over that. You can't really see anything. Everything's behind there in channels. And it looks pretty clean. And then same thing on this side was basically what we did was this right here, and got all the cables go up and they end up fitting up in channels in there, so there's nothing really pinched or anything like that. Nothing really pinched, but yeah, what I'm saying. But anyways, yeah, got this coming down. This stands up here, and got a cap in there, which shouldn't be on, but the guy's too close to the car right here, so got holes in the front right there, putting all the RCA's through, and then we got the big block down the bottom right there. This carpet fits over top of it really nicely, cleanly, and I'll just do a little shot of that here at the end. Hopefully you can see that. If not, oh well.